Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 280. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Roblox Error Code 280 indicates that the Roblox application on your device is outdated and needs to be updated. This usually happens when the auto-update feature fails, leaving your client version behind the current one. To resolve this, you can uninstall and reinstall the Roblox application, which will ensure you have the latest version. To fix this assembling, so first off, I want you to go to your computer search and here search for Add or Remove. We want to select this System Settings option called Add or Remove Programs. From here you can search this list, so just type Roblox. And however many instances of Roblox you have, you just want to uninstall. So I have 2 instances. I'm just going to uninstall both. If you have 1 instance, you will uninstall 1 instance. After uninstalling Roblox instances, we can exit out of this and just go to the Roblox website. Click on a random game, for example, Blocks Fruits here, and you want to click on Play. So here it should detect that Roblox isn't installed for us anymore, and we get this option, Download and Install Roblox. Just click on the launcher, and now it should download for you, and it should be the newest version of Roblox. Click on OK, and you should be ready to go. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox Error Code 280. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.